Now. Well, hello guys. Hi, I'm back. Hello, hello, hello. I'm hoping the network's better now. Um, so yes, guys, I was saying that when the connection got cut, that that the primary reason why I'm here today is to tell you all that please, there's already a lot of fear that is there, amongst practically everybody out here, and there's so many messages, DMs, mails, so many calls people, I keep getting all day. We're talking about the virus, we're talking about COVID. There's nothing else. We don't have anything else to talk about. Well, let me tell you that 7-8 months back, um, when all of this started, you know we obviously we had no idea about this virus, and suddenly from where it's come, and it's just kind of the world froze, and everything was at a standstill. It completely took us by surprise, and it's been 7-8 months now, and still there's a lot of fear that is lurking out there, outside I'm talking about, in our homes also. I've also practically, I was COVID positive a couple of months back, and all I was getting to hear is that it's a very deadly virus, and it's you should be careful, and all of that. Yes, it is a very, very deadly virus, and we can't negate the fact. But guys, please, it's very important that you have to be strong enough to face this current scenario. All we can do is, as COVID warriors, we can just stay home, think positive. I've been trying to stay away from all the news and the various media circus that's happening out there. Yes, the media is there informing us about what's happening all around the globe and all across the globe, and everywhere. But guys, it's important that just think positive, and stay strong. Okay, and the belief has to be there that this is going to be over very soon. Okay, a lot of people have been messaging me saying that what have you been doing about all of this. Well, all I want to say is that already there are people out there. We have the medical team out there, expert, absolutely. I think they're probably the best at their jobs. We have the frontline warriors. We have so many people out there taking care of us, and I think we should really be thankful. We should show a lot of gratitude. But end of the day, it's important to believe and manifest for a beautiful tomorrow. That is what I've been doing all these months, and that is what me and my family, my wife, me, all of us, we've just been imagining a beautiful world tomorrow. A better world, a cleaner world. So yes, we're trying to stay away from the COVID situation. We already know it's bad, but we are hoping, and we're completely believing that tomorrow things are going to get better. In fact, today morning I had somebody telling me, I got a message saying that things are slightly better, and the cases have come down in Maharashtra, which is great, and we are hoping that things get back to normal. But yes, all we can do is stay home, follow the protocols, pray, believe, manifest for a beautiful, cleaner, happier future tomorrow, whatever you might say. And yeah, so I think enough of the serious conversation that we've been having, you and me. So yes, so be good, stay home, stay safe, and let's stop blaming each other, please. Yeah, I think already we are facing a lot. The world is completely going through this. Completely, there's everything is topsy turvy right now. Let's show some kindness. Let's be happy. Let's keep others happy. Let's try and bring a smile to people's faces. And I think get your vaccine, which is very important. that is something I strongly support. Please get your vaccines whenever the government instructs, and whenever we are allowed to. Whenever the permissions are given, please go and go to your nearest center and get your vaccine, get your shots, and be safe. I think that's going to be the new passport. So yes, and just stay home, watch movies. And talking about movies, thank you so much. My directorial baby released day before yesterday, Prem Gajra Chili Chicken. I've been getting a lot of messages saying that people have loved it. Thank you so much. The entire team is very grateful, very thankful. The makers are very, very relieved that you guys have liked the film. It's a great feeling. It just feels great because everyone's worked really hard, and the whole team, the writers, the technicians, the production, the producer, everybody. So it's been a beautiful team effort, and now especially because you people are appreciating it, it's such an overwhelming feeling. So yes, thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for just being so kind. I think every time you guys, every day I have such beautiful messages coming in, which totally make my day. In the middle of this pandemic also, I have such beautiful people messaging and commenting on the pictures, and I don't get to personally come and DM you or probably say thank you, but yes, here I am taking this opportunity. These live sessions are the best sessions that I get to have with you all. It's very one-to-one, and thank you so much. And all the fan wars happening, and I get to hear once in a while. It's come on, guys. I mean, we are like one. It's one big happy family, yeah. Okay, I know you guys have your own favorites, and their fan clubs, their fandoms, and their parties, and their everyone has their own favorites and celebrities, and you want to be partial to somebody, you want to favor somebody, you don't like somebody, you troll somebody. I understand all of that. It's fine, but try and not be too negative about things, and not negative about life. We joke around, we comment on each other's pictures and all of that. It's all in good humor. Okay, come on, let's it's all about just being in a happy space, and there is no competition. Please, I want you people to know we all are one big happy family. I'm talking about the actors, the fraternity, and I think we all, whenever we meet, all of us, we there's a lot of it's a very healthy union, and it's a very happy place to be, and especially for all the people out there. I think all the fan clubs, you guys are great. You guys are totally, I know you guys are devoted and completely, like I said, you guys have your own favorites. My SM Army, like I say very proudly, thank you so much for all the love you guys have been showing consistently, man, all these years, and my SM Army keeps growing every day. So thank you so much. I want to cover maximum. I wanna talk about Bepana Pyar. Bepana, again, thank you so much. I think it's touched about 40 million. I think so. I think that's a great figure. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching the song, liking it, sharing it, making so many reels. I still keep getting so many reels that people keep sending me. But yes, like I said, we have a lot of new things to kind of to actually take care of, and I'm working on some really interesting things, and some very exciting stuff, which hopefully you guys will get to see soon. I am also reading some very interesting scripts. See, the reason these live sessions are like, I get to share a lot with you people, and I keep reinstating that it's a very one-to-one. It's like I'm literally talking to you all, and I can feel the response. I can feel you guys talking back to me, and I can feel that connection and that vibe, which is great. And all I want to say is that my live sessions are full of gratitude. That's all I want. Life needs to be full of gratitude. guys, the power of gratitude, I've realized in the last couple of months, is way too strong, or rather strongest compared to any other thing around. So if you like something, you know, if you feel, or if you see somebody being nice to you or being kind to you, or somebody doing something for you, just say a simple thank you, and it'll totally make his day and your day as well. So in the middle of all this crazy times that we're having right now, I am sure there's a lot of gratitude we can show now also, you know, because you know, I feel that a lot of good things are also happening now. Like, for example, a lot of people have recovered. We don't talk about that, you know, we just talk about the casualties. And so yes, please, let's talk about the goodness also that is happening, and that is taking place, and that is getting better and better each day. And what else? I want you guys to ask me some questions. I can go on and on because this is my time with you all. So please ask me some questions. I want to answer a few things around. Yeah, you guys keep sending hearts and smiles and more hearts. I love you people too. Lots, man. You guys are my favorite. Let me tell you, I've come a really long way. It's been so many years, but all I want to say is that आप लोग भी मेरी जान है. I can see a lot of people saying that आप मेरी जान है, आप लोग मेरी जान है, and आप लोग मुझे वो हिम्मत देते हैं कि मैं और अच्छा काम करूं. थोड़ी नेगेटिविटी आती है, थोड़ी ट्रोलिंग होती है, बट वो मैं सच बताऊं तो उससे मुझे बहुत हिम्मत मिलती है. और कई बार हो सकता है मैंने शायद जाने अनजाने में किसी का दिल दुखाया हो, किसी फ़ैन का या किसी का कोई रिप्लाई नहीं किया हो मैंने कुछ भी. सो प्लीज़ डोंट टेक इट टू योर हार्ट. I love you people, and many times, you know, we have our own personal life also to take care of, and we have so many things, you know, happening inside here that you know, it's our work, our personal life. You know, we have to balance everything out, and we have to make sure also the actors, in fact everybody, I mean all the actors, especially I'm talking on behalf of all the actors, we have to make sure that we bring a smile to all the beautiful faces out there. You know, an actor needs to entertain. So yes, and what do I see? Hello Tamil Nadu. I can see so many Tamil Nadu fans. There one song with a guitar, please. Definitely I will be playing a guitar. I will be playing a song on my guitar very soon. Very soon I'll be strumming a few chords. You will get to see that. Kasam 2 कब आएगा मुझे नहीं पता यार. People keep asking me that. Kasam 2 कब आएगा? I have no idea. I'm sure even I have no idea. Kritika also probably would probably have the same thing to say, and she probably want to know Kasam 2 कब आएगा. So yes, hello Mandeepa. So many people out there yaar. Hello people from Gujarat. बेपना 2 कब आएगा? आई डोंट नो यार, मुझे पता नहीं है ये 2.0 कब आएंगी. सब सीक्वल्स वगैरह, ये सब प्रीक्वल्स, मुझे ये सब नहीं पता होता यार. I'm an actor. When I'm just given a job, I'm supposed to do my job and just move on. So that's what I do. Or I think it's up to the makers. You know, they'll decide about the 2.0s and you know, about the next part and all of that. So yes, Sharad, please मेरा नाम लो. Zirak. Okay, hi. Please say my name. Oh, guys, I will be taking your names. But I want you guys to ask me some questions here. Come on, we need to talk. Love from Pakistan. Hello. Lot of love to all the people across the border here. I am from Karnataka. Hello. Okay, cute pics. Hi, Maharana Pratap Singh. Wow, yeah, that has been one of my favorite shows actually. Talking about Maharana Pratap Singh, I think I was just talking to somebody the other day, और मैंने कहा कि मुझे राजस्थान की बहुत याद आ रही है. I really want to go there and I want to just spend some time there. You know, the beautiful connect I have with the land. कमाल की मिट्टी है यार. You know, एक जादू कहते हैं उसमें. You know, just एक बार जो इंसान जाता है राजस्थान, वो वहीं पे रहना चाहता है, कुछ वक्त गुजारना चाहता है. I hope you guys are understanding, you know, because it's a very heart-to-heart connection for me. Because for me, Maharana Pratap will be one of my most favoritist characters ever. One of my most difficult characters that I've played so far. But I've loved it the maximum. But yes, coming to I Love Kasam. Oh yes, Kasam also has been one of my most favorite shows, and I think Kasam is still probably airing right now. My mom watches a lot of Kasam, and she tells me every day, you know, कि आज ये सीन देखा मैंने, एंड देन शी टेल्स अच्छा यू नो दिस सीन वाज वेरी गुड, दिस कुड हैव बीन अ लिटिल बेटर. सो शी इज my biggest critic, and I think I love that. I think my mom just tells me there is no pretense, there is no filtration. She just tells me the way it is, and I love that. So yes, लास्ट टाइम आप कब गुजरात आए? मुझे गुजरात आए बहुत टाइम हो चुका है यार. आई थिंक मैं गुजरात आया था, कोई आई थिंक शो का प्रमोशन था, एंड आई हैड गॉन टू सूरत. व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस यार. बहुत मज़ा आया. आई थिंक इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस एंड आई लव टू बी इन गुजरात. प्रॉब्ली यू नो go someday. I want to go to Gir actually. Gir is something I want to go and see the tigers. I want to see the lions. I'm a crazy you know wildlife fanatic. और मुझे बहुत मन कर रहा है कि वहाँ जाऊँ, एक nice adventurous trip, you know, maybe for a weekend or something. Even Ripsy also, I think she loves the cats. So हाँ, तो वो मुझे करना है. I want to go. In fact मैंने मेरी जो friend है, बहुत अच्छी friend मेरी, प्यारी सी friend येशा, मैंने उससे कहा था कि मुझे गिर आना है यार. तो she said नहीं you come and you know we'll get everything arranged for you. So देखो, I'm hoping, fingers crossed, things get better and you might just see me in Gir. Okay, I have a very very dear friend of mine. Hey, Karan is right here. Karan, how do I stay so fit? I think you should be knowing how I stay fit. He keeps asking me this every day. By the way, I think Karan has just bought a treadmill. So good, Karan. I hope you get fitter than what you are right now and look great in the coming weeks. So yes, रिप्सी मैम अभी पता नहीं, आई थिंक रिप्सी मैम बाहर अभी हैं कुछ, शी इज़ वॉचिंग समथिंग, और आई थिंक वो लियो के साथ हैं, बिकॉज लियो को अकेले नहीं छोड़ सकते, यू नो. आई नो 6 months old, बट अभी भी बच्चा ही है यार, तो ही जस्ट नीड्स समबडी टू बी देयर ऑल द टाइम. सो आई थिंक शी इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ लियो आउटसाइड. Okay, hello. Well, anniversary, okay. Anniversary with Ripsha was anniversary with Ripsy was great. Yeah, it was fantastic. We were home. We got so many wishes. You know, people were pouring wishes were pouring in. Rather, I'm sorry. Messages, DMs. You know, video calls, family. You know, friends calling. All of that, and I think that was something very very sweet and special. You know. So yeah, it was a great day. That day I was with Ripsy. And we just spent the day, cooked together, cleaned the house together. We watched a nice movie. So yes, we did all of that, and we just cut a cake. So yes, it was a great day, and with all those blessings coming in, all the love pouring in from all you people, it just got better. अमृतसर आए हो आप कभी? जी हाँ, बिल्कुल यार, मैं अमृतसर आया हूँ, और मैं गोल्डन टेम्पल गया था, गए मुझे कुछ आई थिंक साल भर हो गया है. सो येस, डेफिनेटली यार, आई थिंक इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल प्लेसेस, एंड आई लव द फूड. अमृतसर का खाना आई थिंक अमेजिंग है, कमाल का है. दैट इज समथिंग विच आई रियली वांट टू प्रॉब्ली गो एंड हैव अगेन. एंड येस, सो आई एम वेटिंग कि जैसे ही हालात थोड़े बेटर हों, मुझे गोल्डन टेम्पल भी जाना है. मुझे कब से मैं इतने प्लान्स बना रहा हूँ, मुझे इतना ट्रैवल करना है. आई एम श्योर आप सबको भी ट्रैवल करना है. सो लेट थिंग्स गेट अ लिटिल बेटर, एंड आई एम श्योर आवर ट्रैवल प्लान्स विल बी ऑन द कार्ड्स. रादर दे आर ऑन द कार्ड्स, दे विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड. अभी प्लानिंग चल रही है, एग्जीक्यूशन सबकी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, आई एम श्योर. ओके, अशप्रीत, hello. So many people have kind of joined me right now. जी, हरिद्वार कब आए हो? मैं हरिद्वार आया, मुझे आई थिंक बचपन में आया था, बहुत टाइम हो चुका है. मुझे, जैसे मैंने कहा, मुझे हरिद्वार भी आना है. मेरे बहुत सारे ट्रैवल प्लान्स हैं जो मैं आप लोगों से शेयर करते रहूँगा एट रेगुलर इंटरवल्स, प्रोवाइडेड ये सब कुछ ठीक हो और सब कुछ नॉर्मल हो जाए. When you're coming to Toronto, oh wow, मुझे सब पूछ रहे हैं कि मुझे यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है. मुझे बहुत ट्रैवल करना है यार. I want to travel because of my work. I want to travel with my family. I want to travel with Ripsy. I want to travel solo. तो मेरे बहुत ट्रैवल प्लान्स हैं. But you guys will get to know that at regular intervals. But first, the pandemic needs to go. जी, okay, you guys want me to sing a song? I will definitely sing a song, but I will not only sing a song, but I will also play my guitar. That will happen very soon. I promise you guys that. You guys will get to see a video of mine, me playing the guitar, strumming some chords, and the vocals too. Gee, it's Dr. Diba. Okay, hello, Dr. Diba. How are you? Diksha Sharma. Wow. आप पटना आओ ना, मैं ज़रूर पटना आऊँगा. मेरा बहुत मन है, कभी आने का मौका मिला तो मैं ज़रूर पटना आऊँगा. जी, मुझे पूरा भारत भ्रमण करना है यार. आई रियली वांट टू. हेलो पीपल फ्रॉम बांग्लादेश, हाउ आर यू गाइज? यार आप लोग कुछ पूछो यार. हेलो हाय, ये तो कभी कर ही रहे हैं आप लोग, कब से मुझे करते ही हैं. लेकिन मैं चाहता हूँ आप लोग कुछ सवाल पूछिए, कुछ समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग यू गाइज वांट टू नो. ओके, लेट मी शेयर विथ यू पीपल दैट व्हेन आई वाज शूटिंग, आई वाज डायरेक्टिंग दिस फिल्म ऑफ माइन, प्रेम गजरा चिली चिकन. मुझे याद है, दिस वाज ड्यूरिंग द मानसून्स, और आई थिंक बॉम्बे की बरसात तो पता ही सबको कितनी खतरनाक होती है. तो it was raining non-stop, absolutely, raining sheets, cats and dogs, and we had to shoot an outdoor sequence. So I was really scared, and my entire team, we were like so worried कि पता नहीं हम shoot कर पाएंगे कि नहीं कर पाएंगे. My maker, obviously, everybody was so stressed out. But आप मानेंगे नहीं, I just looked up, the skies, and I just prayed. I shut my eyes and I prayed. I said, please भगवान, कुछ देर के लिए बारिश बंद कर दो. जैसे ही सीन खत्म हो जाए फिर से बारिश शुरू कर देना. मैंने बोला, और मैंने बोल के मैंने छोड़ दिया. मैंने लेकिन बहुत दिल से बोला. एंड यू विल नॉट बिलीव, आई थिंक इन अबाउट 15-20 minutes from that, after that, a little conversation that we had, it just stopped raining. And I think that was the most beautiful part. And my entire team just looked at me, and we were so happy. It was such an unbelievable feeling that that wow, there's somebody up there who's actually listening to us. And I think we just shot the scene. It was beautifully shot, and that happened. And I remember there was a scene that we wanted to shoot on the bridge. There's an iron bridge, if you see, when he's standing ऊपर खड़े होके, हमारे जो सुनील जो है, हमारे जो रिक्शा ड्राइवर हैं, वो खड़े होके ऊपर, इफ आई मे से, वो सुसु कर रहे होते हैं. And that location I wanted, and I said, I told my production people that मुझे ये location चाहिए. And they said, sir, it's difficult because right in the heart of, it was a beautiful slum area, and बहुत सारे लोग थे. It was morning, I think 10:30, 11. A lot of hustle bustle, a lot of chaos, a lot of cars and rickshaws and people walking. It was like a total bazaar area, like a proper marketplace. Those local street side markets. And I said I want this location anyhow. I didn't want to compromise, because I don't like compromising, especially if you have something in your head and you want something in a certain way. I don't like to compromise, especially when it comes to the quality of the product. तो मैंने कहा, और I think उसके बाद जो है, मेरे जो प्रोडक्शन जो है, जो मेरे क्रिएटिव प्रोड्यूसर जो थे, मेरे एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रोड्यूसर जो थे, उन्होंने बहुत कोशिश की. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, I think in about 24 to 48 hours के बाद, I think हमें permission मिली to shoot for just 1 hour. और 1 घंटे में we had to shoot the entire scene, and we shot the scene, and it was great. And I really thank God for that, and I thank my team for that. And these moments you tend to remember all your life, all these obstacles. So basically, the idea that why I'm telling you all this is that whenever you start something in life, anything, there could be obstacles, there could be hindrances, there could be these road bumps, what do you call, hiccups. But yes, you have to keep moving, and you have to believe that it will happen, because when it happens from here, it always happens. Remember that. So I don't want to sound very preachy, but yes, if you want to do something dil se, it will always happen. Okay, believe in yourself, believe in your goal, always trust somebody up there who's listening to you, and good things will happen. Okay, so yes, now coming back to all your questions. Where is Leo? Leo is outside with Rishi, with Ripsy right now. I'm saying Rishi because I see so much Rishi popping up right now. Leo is outside with Ripsy, and I think they're probably watching a series. So guys, yes, I can see a lot of new people kind of popping in right now. What was the inspiration regarding? Like the inspiration, it was just I got somebody just gave me the idea, and I think it was a beautiful idea, and I just wanted to work on it. And luckily, the team popped in, and I got my team ready, and they all believed and they trusted my vision. And like I said, it's a total team effort, from the makers to the concept to the story. Everybody came together, and I'm really thankful to each and every person. Yes. आपका फेवरेट सिंगर कौन है? मेरा फेवरेट सिंगर, मेरे बहुत सारे सिंगर्स हैं यार. आई थिंक देयर सो मेनी सिंगर्स. आई लव माई ऑल टाइम फेवरेट इज सोनू निगम. आई थिंक ही इज ब्रिलियंट. I think he's one of the most amazing voices we have in the country. And I think then Arijit Singh, I think Zubin Nautiyal, I think they're like God gifted, and their vocals and their when you hear their voices, I think it's so powerful, it's so amazing, it's so soul stirring. बहुत मजा आता है यार. Yes, I think my favorite brand, see, I'm not very brand conscious, but yes, if there's something I like, and it could be branded, and it could be a little expensive also, I tend to get it, but वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगना चाहिए तब. नहीं तो I'm open to anything and everything. It could be a non-branded garment also, but if it's nice, it's something that's I feel will suit me, I go for it. My favorite movie, there's so many movies, yeah. I think there's so many movies that have been my favorite. My all-time favorite, I'm sure people know, is DDLJ. I think I've seen the movie, so I think probably a lost count. Then there's Andaz Apna Apna. There is Hera Pheri. I think these are the classic cult films, जिसे हम कहते हैं. Then if you talk about back in the West, I think कितनी है? I think Godfather, Rocky, ये series हैं. I think I'm sure most of us must have seen. I think ये सब they're like Bible. I think जितना हम उनको देख के हम सीख सकते हैं. I think as actors, non-actors भी. I think it's amazing. I think such inspirational, motivational films. आपका फेवरेट पंजाबी सिंगर? आई थिंक बहुत सारे सिंगर्स हैं यार, लेकिन मैं सुनता नहीं हूँ. बट आई थिंक मैंने एक बार लाइव सुना है मनिंदर बूटा. आई थिंक व्हाट अ ब्रिलियंट गाय यार. आई थिंक कमाल की आवाज़ है उनकी, एंड आई थिंक द काइंड ऑफ कनेक्ट ही हैज़ विद द यूथ, इट्स अमेजिंग. गुरदास मान, आई थिंक ही इज अमेजिंग. आई थिंक probably one of Gurdas साहब, I think one of the most amazing guys and amazing singer. Manji, I think brilliant. I think then अपने दिलेर पाजी, I think मैं कितने नाम लूँ, I think इतने amazing लोग हैं. पूछिए और क्या पूछना है. अब मेरा फेवरेट कलर, आई थिंक मेरा फेवरेट कलर वाइट और ब्लैक है, लेकिन मैं पिछले कुछ महीनों से ब्लैक बहुत पहन रहा हूँ. आई थिंक मैंने अपने शो में नागिन में बहुत ब्लैक पहना है. आई थिंक जब मुझे एकता मैम ने जब मुझे ब्रीफ दिया था, और जब मुझे पूरी टीम ने कहा था, क्रिएटिव टीम ने, कि उसका जो एक कलर होगा, यूनिफॉर्म कलर होगा, जो आई थिंक मोस्टली सीन्स में जो हम यूज़ करेंगे, विल बी ब्लैक, बिकॉज ही इज़ अ डार्क गाय. एंड आई थिंक तब से जो है ब्लैक मेरा फेवरेट हो गया है. Okay. Please say something in Bengali. কি বলবো यार? I think আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি. I think কি বলবো বাংলায়, আমি খুব মিস করি. I think আমার যে আমার পড়াশোনা হয়েছে কলকাতায় হয়েছে, আমি কলকাতা থেকে আছি. আমার জেভেরিয়ান, আমার পড়াশোনা মানে আমার স্কুলিং জেভিয়ার্সে হয়েছে. আমি খুব মিস করি কলকাতা. আই থিঙ্ক ওয়ান অফ দ্য মোস্ট বিউটিফুল প্লেসেস, অ্যান্ড আই থিঙ্ক ডেফিনেটলি কলকাতা খাবার যেটা হয়, আই এম টকিং অ্যাবাউট স্ট্রিট ফুড, দ্যাটস yum. So yes, love from Hyderabad, lots of love to people in Hyderabad. I think my cousin is in Hyderabad. मुझे जाने का मौका मिला है एक दो बार हैदराबाद. What a beautiful place यार. But I want to go to Ramoji Rao यार. I mean, अब हैदराबाद की बात उठी है, I really want to go to Ramoji Rao. That is a place I really want to see. A lot of people tell me, अरे you have not seen Ramoji Rao. That's like, a landmark in the country. I think that's probably something which I should have seen long time back, but मुझे कभी मौका नहीं मिला और कभी टाइम भी नहीं मिला. अब हालांकि टाइम है थोड़ा बहुत. I would love to go and shoot there. मुझे आके शूटिंग करनी है रामोजी राव में यार, शायद इसलिए कभी मैं गया नहीं. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, I get to shoot there and I get to breathe the air in Ramoji Rao. Okay. Yes, I have seen the rock garden here. It's in Chandigarh. It's beautiful. I've been to Chandigarh a couple of times. I think it's probably one of the most well-planned cities in the country, and I think I really would like to go there and spend some time and just enjoy Chandigarh food. यार मैं खाने की बहुत बातें करता हूँ यार. My favorite chocolate क्या है यार? I think I just love chocolate in any form. I think मुझे you can keep giving me chocolate all day and I can, but no, not now. I know a lot of people have been gifting me so many chocolates, and you guys are so amazing. I have literally now, because you guys have been talking about chocolates and food. Let me tell you, on the 9th of January, when my birthday, on this year, especially on my birthday, I had cut about, I think, 26 cakes. So thank you so much, yaar. You guys are so amazing. I at times, feel, actually, I just go, I just fall short of words, and thank you so much. इतना chocolate मुझे खिलाने के लिए, इतने chocolate cakes खिलाने के लिए. But yes, now I am a little bit off sweets because I am right now, we are at home, the gyms are shut, so I can't do much of workout. But yes, I still try and control my diet a bit. Excuse me. I love you too, yaar. Okay. Lot of new people joining in. Hello. आपके न्यू सीरियल का नाम बता दें. मुझे खुद नहीं पता मेरे नए सीरियल का नाम, या मेरे नए शो का नाम, या मेरे नए अगले प्रोजेक्ट का नाम. जैसे ही पता होगा मैं सबसे पहले आप लोगों को बताऊंगा. Tea or coffee? Well, I've been like a total chai person all my life, but yes, last few months I've switched to coffee. I've become a coffee addict. Chill. Yes, I get to hear. You guys need to chill. सर आप दिल्ली नहीं आते हो कभी? मैं दिल्ली आता हूँ यार. दिल्ली में पिछली बार आया था, काम से आया था आई थिंक, बट ऐसे मुझे जाना नहीं होता. बट यस, मेरी बुआ रहती है दिल्ली में और मेरे कुछ कजन्स हैं दिल्ली में, तो जैसे ही मुझे मौका मिलेगा मैं ज़रूर दिल्ली आऊँगा. कम लाइव विथ यस यार. क्या होता है ना आपकी बीच में, आई थिंक, थैंक यू सो मच यार. आप लोगों ने मेरी और सुरभि की केमिस्ट्री बहुत लाइक की नागिन में, सो थैंक यू सो मच. केमिस्ट्री से अब मुझे समझ में आता है कि जो एक ऑन स्क्रीन जो कमराडरी होती है, जो तालमेल होती है, वो जब सही बैठती है, उसका इक्वेशन जो सही बैठता है और एक बॉन्डिंग सही बैठती है, तो कैरेक्टर्स जो हैं दे एक्चुअली बिकम वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टू वॉच. एंड थैंक यू सो मच यार. आई थिंक आप लोगों ने हमारे जो है जो चील और जो विरांशु और बानी की जो केमिस्ट्री आप लोगों ने इतनी लाइक की, थैंक यू सो मच. टोटली वॉज अनएक्सपेक्टेड, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आप लोगों ने इतना प्यार दिया है, सो थैंक यू सो मच. हाँ, मैं आपका बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच यार. जम्मू कश्मीर आए मुझे थोड़ा टाइम हो गया. मैं पिछली बार गया था जब वैष्णो देवी गया था कटरा, तो मुझे आने का मौका मिला था जम्मू की बात उठी है तो फिर से मैं खाने की बात उठी है मेरे दिमाग में. आई थिंक जम्मू के जो राजमा बहुत फेमस होते हैं, छोटे छोटे क्यूट होते हैं. एंड मुझे याद है जब मैं गया था तो मैं इतने राजमा उठा के लाया था. आई एम अ राजमा एडिक्ट, और आई एम श्योर पीपल हु नो मी दे नो दैट मुझे मेरे मॉम के हाथों के राजमा चावल मेरे फेवरेट हैं. सो दैट इज़ माई ऑल टाइम फेवरेट. अब तो इनफैक्ट रिप्सी भी बनाती हैं. शी मेक्स अमेजिंग राजमा चावल. कोल्हापुर महाराष्ट्र आना ज़रूर. मैं ज़रूर आऊँगा यार कोल्हापुर महाराष्ट्र. मुझे पूरा महाराष्ट्र का भ्रमण करना है. कोल्हापुर मैंने सुना है कि अच्छी जगह है और मैं डेफिनेटली आना चाहूँगा. एंड हो सकता है शूट के लिए आऊँ, हो सकता है ऐसे आ जाऊँ, बट येस मुझे पूरा महाराष्ट्र घूमना है एक बार अच्छी से. Okay, guys, I am a big fan. Thank you so much. Yeah, there's so many people saying that. दाढ़ी बहुत लंबी हो गई. हाँ, मुझे पता है मेरी दाढ़ी लंबी हो गई है, लेकिन मैं अभी थोड़ी दाढ़ी जो है मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा है. आई एम एक्चुअली वेरी लेजी यार. तो मैं अभी बिल्कुल भी मैं मूड में नहीं हूँ शेव करने के. यार ऐसे भी आई थिंक वी आर होम राइट नाउ, तो जब तक घर पे हैं थोड़े दिन, आई थॉट लेट मी जस्ट ग्रो my beard, let my facial hair also enjoy that importance, get that importance and get that attention. यार रिप्सी जो है वो अभी बाहर बैठी हैं लियो के साथ, बट डेफिनेटली मैं रिप्सी के साथ बहुत जल्द एक वीडियो पोस्ट करूंगा. आई प्रॉमिस यू गाइस. ओके, मुझे आप लोग बताइए यार, आप लोग इतने सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, मैं आप लोगों से सवाल पूछता हूँ. हाउ वुड यू गाइज, आई मीन what would you guys prefer, me shaving or just being like this right now, like this grungy, totally bearded look? What do you guys prefer, the shave or no shave? Tell me quickly. Okay, some people are saying shaving, some people are saying beard. Okay, a lot of people are saying shaving. Okay, okay, shaving. Surprisingly, you people want me to shave. Okay, shave of course. Okay, no shave. गलती shave मत करना. Okay, wow. मुझे धमकियाँ दे रहे लोग, गलती shave मत करना. Okay, fine. I am confused right now. So do something. Let's have a poll. And let me know if you guys want me to shave or you guys don't want me to shave. Okay, I'm making life easier. Okay, great. So I think okay guys, मुझे समझ में आ गया है. आप लोग, बहुत लोग चाह रहे हैं मैं शेव करूं, बहुत लोग चाह रहे हैं मैं शेव नहीं करूं. ऋषि, रौनक, अमर, सागर, यार कम ऑन यार, दे ऑल आर माय बेबीज. मतलब वो कैसे, हाउ डू यू वांट मी टू काइंड ऑफ चूज वन? ऋषि, रौनक, अमर, सागर, I don't know यार. मतलब it's very difficult for me to actually choose anyone. All are extremely special, extremely close, and they all are part of me. So yeah, but for sure definitely Sagar and Amar Shivdar Upadhyay, Sagar Pratap Singh, Amar Shivdar Upadhyay हमेशा special रहेंगे because it was my first show, and पहला जो है show हमेशा obviously special होता है. So okay. Okay, a lot of people. Okay, Viranshu. Okay, Viranshu is also obviously my favorite. Come on here. Love from Pakistan. Hello, lots of love to all you people. Sheikh Hamza. Okay. Well, Rishi is my first. Rishi is my love too. यार ऐसे मत कहो. Love from Haryana. Lots of love. My favorite cricketer is undoubtedly the god of cricket, Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin sir, hands down. Okay, how about you guys? You guys have a poll, okay, that you guys want me to shave. Listen to me. Shave, no shave, and Sagar Pratap Singh, Amar Shivdar Upadhyay. Listen to me. Sagar Pratap Singh, Amar Shivdar Upadhyay, Maharana Pratap Singh, Raunak Singh, Viranshu Singhania. Okay, Rishi Singh Bedi, Ranbir. I want you guys to have a poll and say which character you guys have loved the most, and which character you liked the least. Okay, I want to know from you people. Okay, so this is what you guys have to do now. Okay, two things: shave, no shave, and your favorite character. My favorite color, I've already said, is black, sweetheart. Okay, great. So I think we've had a great session, and I will catch you guys again soon. Till then, you guys stay safe, stay home, follow the protocols. Coming back, get the fear out of your head. There's no fear, okay? We don't want the fear in our lives. Getting optimistic about life, about a beautiful tomorrow, about our family that's there with us, our parents, by the grace of God. So just be thankful for all that we've been blessed with, okay? My favorite destination, absolutely, my favorite destination is San Francisco. और गोवा, और यहाँ पे अगर मैं कहूँ इंडिया में तो गोवा है, केरला है, बैक वाटर्स, इट्स गॉर्जियस. So yes, so quickly before I plug out, Bani और Tanuja, yeah, both characters were definitely so interesting and so amazing and amazing to work with. I can't choose one. दोनों बहुत ही amazing हैं, दोनों के अपने dynamics थे. बट येस, दोनों के साथ मुझे, दोनों कैरेक्टर्स के साथ मुझे काम करने में बहुत मज़ा आया है. बहुत ही स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स हैं, बानी और तनुजा. ओके, गीता, नम्रता, ओके, हेलो. लिटिल पेंगुइन, हेलो, प्लीज से मानसी, हेलो मानसी. ओके गाइज, नाउ आई नीड टू प्लग आउट. It's time for me to go for a little run. जैसे मैंने आपसे कहा, मुझे खाने का बहुत शौक है, तो मुझे थोड़ा मेंटेन करना पड़ता है, नहीं तो आप लोग मुझे देखेंगे ऐसे, जो मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ. तो प्लीज़, आई नीड टू हेड आउट मतलब प्रॉब्ली हेड इन माई कॉम्प्लेक्स, just do a little bit of workout, come back and have dinner. So yes, guys, lots of love, have a great night, and see you guys again very soon. Okay, जल्दी सो जाना, क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा लेट सोता हूँ, बट आप लोग प्लीज़ जल्दी सो जाओ. आई एम लिटरली अ नाइट बर्ड, पीपल से, और मेरे जितने क्रिएटिव आइडियाज़ हैं वो रात को ही मेरे दिमाग में आते हैं, जो अच्छी बात नहीं है. आई थिंक दे से दैट यू शुड स्लीप अर्ली टू बेड, अर्ली टू राइज मेक्स यू हेल्दी, वेल्दी एंड वाइज. सो प्लीज़ guys, get some sleep, eat well, stay home, stay safe, love your near and dear ones, love your family, spread love, no hatred, no trolling kam karo. Okay, and I love you people, thank you so much. Okay, to all you people out there, आप लोग बहुत स्पेशल हो यार, बहुत ज़्यादा. ओके, सो यू गाइज विल ऑलवेज बी स्पेशल. एंड मैंने हमेशा कहा है, जो भी चीज़ दिल से करोगे यहाँ से, उसी दिल से दिल तक जाती है. एंड वो जो ऊपर बैठे हुए हैं, जो हमारे ईश्वर, परमात्मा, परवरदिगार, अल्लाह, गॉड, क्राइस्ट, जीसस, गणपति बापा मोरिया, जो भी हैं, सब कुछ हैं, हमारे ऊपर बैठे हुए हैं, जो जिस पे भी आपको जिन पर भी विश्वास है, वो सीधे आपकी बात सुनते हैं. तो जो बात यहाँ से आती है हमेशा दिल से, वो बिल्कुल सही होती है. ओके, सो लाइफ में कुछ भी करना हो, दिल से करो, दिल की सुनो, एंड जस्ट बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ एंड जस्ट डू इट मैन. क्योंकि मैं हमेशा लाइफ में ऐसे ही करता हूँ. ओके, सो इनफ ऑफ बीइंग ऑल द लेक्चर्स, बीइंग प्रीची. लव यू पीपल, stay good, and I'll see you guys again very soon. And the video with Ripsy will be coming very soon, me playing the guitar, singing a song, maybe a reel or something, I don't know, but you guys will be seeing me very soon. So take care, bye, love you people. Okay, ciao.